Meaning of fromage phrase.
Fromage phrase.
Fromage phrase.
Fromage phrase.
Fromage phrase. Fromage phrase is a French term that translates to fresh cheese in English. It is a type of soft, creamy cheese that is typically made from cow's milk and has a tangy flavor. Fromage phrase is commonly used in French cuisine as a spread or topping for bread, crackers, and other dishes. This cheese is lower in fat and calories than many other types of cheese, making it a healthier option. It is often blended with herbs, garlic, or other flavors to create a delicious and versatile ingredient in many recipes.